Hey folks, I'm doing a little video. We're boiling tonight. Told you I'd make a little video. Usually when I'm boiling I'm pretty busy. But I had a chance to slow down a minute and refire, and look at this. Don't that look good? You got smoke pouring out, steam pouring out, little car on the top. That's my little sugar shack. Oh yeah. Take you inside. Young Sugar Shack. Here's the sign my wife made me. Not bad. Here's the coyote. It's a little muddy, but in the woods, folks. Hauling sap. There's the sap hauler. We're getting down there on wood. This whole shed was full right to the top. I just went and got all this wood and threw it in here. I think I'm gonna run out. So I went down to my other old sugar house and grabbed some dry wood out of there and threw it down here. And there she is. It's a 3x10 evaporator with a steam away on it. Steam hood. And it's cooking. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's cooking. I can't open it up and show you, but boy, it's hot in there. We're boiling. I don't know if you can see it with all the steam, but it's boiling like a son of a gun. Oh yeah, we're boiling. We're boiling. We're getting ready for a draw off. We've already made like probably 10, 11 gallons in the bottler. Let me show you what it looks like in the steam oil. Well, you can't really see, but boy, it's boiling in there. Oh yes. Something else, huh? Far cry for what I had last year. That's for sure, folks, ain't it? Let me know what you think. There she is. That's what we're using. Comes from Canada. And we're, I guess I just dried off all about 10 gallons. So I fired her back up, and I know it's going to be a little bit, so thought I'd take a quick video before I have to get back to work. Gotta watch this sucker all the time. You'll run out of sap. And especially right now, she is hot. You got the hot water pouring out of that sucker. It is hot. You don't want to put your finger underneath there. You'll have a burn. Here's where the sap comes in the back here. It's a floating there. It allows the sap to come in. I don't know if you can see it. It gets pretty dark over in this corner. So it just opened up and sap's pouring in now. That's my setup. It's got a filter. And it'll tell me when I'm getting low in sap. Which got about 200 gallons in that head tank. So. And I got another 300 gallons on the ground to pump into it if I get low. But I am getting low on wood. Hopefully I make it. We're almost done for the season, I believe. Just wanted to show you real quick on the sugar house. Everybody's gone. I'm alone finally. We got some jars already jarred up there. That's today's right there, the maple leaf. A little dark, but if you hold it up to the light, it ain't too bad. Let me hold it up to the light here so you can see it. Oh yeah, look at that. That is beautiful, ain't it? Pure maple syrup. It's a little hot, that's why I'm touching only the top of it. There you go, folks. That's what the sugar house looks like. Here's all the jars. There's some of the syrup. I sold a lot of it already. And we got some jugs over there, but let me know if you need some. It tastes great. Let me know down in the comments. I don't usually ship any, but we could try to figure it out how to ship it to you if we need be. Thanks a lot for watching. Louie out.